Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A nursing assessment is a critical component of the nursing process that involves gathering comprehensive and systematic information about a patient's physical, psychological, social and spiritual health. It is the foundation for developing an individualized care plan and delivering quality patient care. During a nursing assessment, the nurse collects data through various methods, including interviews, physical examinations, and review of medical records. The goal is to holistically understand the patient's health status, identify potential health risks, and detect deviations from normal functioning. Nursing assessments are conducted at various points in the healthcare continuum, such as upon admission to a healthcare facility, during routine checkups, and in response to changes in patient's condition. They enable nurses to identify potential health problems, prioritize care needs, and initiate appropriate interventions. To use our free nursing assessment sheets, follow these steps. Download our nursing assessment sheets from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Record the patient's identifying information including name, age, gender, and unique identifiers. Conduct interviews to gather subjective data about the patient's complaints, symptoms, medical history, allergies, and medications. Explore their psychosocial aspects and document their perception of health status and pain levels. Perform a physical examination, assessing vital signs and evaluating various body systems. Use appropriate tools to gather objective data and document any abnormal findings. Review and document the results of diagnostic tests and investigations, including blood tests, imaging studies, and ECGs. Analyze the collected data to identify nursing diagnosis based on the patient's needs and potential health risks. Prioritize diagnosis and develop a personalized care plan with specific interventions, goals, and desired outcomes. Accurately record assessment findings, nursing diagnosis, and care plans while adhering to facility standards and legal requirements. Communicate effectively with the healthcare team to facilitate coordinated care. Here is a sample of our nursing assessment sheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our nursing assessment sheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.